Hey Lita, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot you a short video for you going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. The first one being content. And so we're going to start with your website here. And content is anything that you can read, but it also includes all of these photos here because Google does have the capability of seeing what is behind these photos. And all that means is, what were they saved as before they were uploaded? Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, and so they take a look at all of the content that is on your site, and they also want to see what keywords are on your site because they want to make sure they're connecting the correct people whenever your future customers are searching in the Google search bar. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you would want those keywords embedded throughout there. And so one example of a keyword is Lexington Plumbers. Whenever your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that populates are some ads here, but if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3, because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile, which I see that you do have here, and then you would want this to be completely optimized. And one part of that are those citations that I mentioned. And all a citation is, it's your business name, the address, if you have it here, and the phone number exactly as it is on your Google business profile in your local directories. And so that could be Yelp, Facebook. So what you would want to do is you'd want to get more of your information in those local directories than your competitors here. That way that you can outrank them and then you can get your share of that 30 to 40% for yourself. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. You want to be on this first page here because over 90% of people will stay on the first page, and then the higher up you are, the more of that traffic you'll get for yourself. Something that we can do is we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and then we can take a look at the back end of your website. So these ratings here are pulled from Google data. UR and DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. You have 0 and 0. What makes up your ratings here are the backlinks that you have. Right now there are no backlinks. And then these backlinks would come from referring domains. So all a backlink is, it's one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality backlinks that will boost your UR and your DR, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. You want your UR and your DR higher than your competitors so that you are being boosted to the top of that Google search result. What goes hand in hand with this are keywords. You have 26 keywords on your site, and I recommend adding buyer intent keywords. And then that way you can find people landing on your site that are ready to buy your services, and you would be getting more qualified leads. And so you are getting 16 monthly website traffic as of now. We can do the exact same thing for all of your competitors. H20 Maestro, they were the #1 ranking website for Lexington Plumbers, so this would be the one to beat for that keyword. They have 25 and 9. What makes up their ratings are 398 backlinks coming from 109 referring domains. They have 1,500 keywords on their site and 1,100 monthly traffic to their website. So what you would want to do is you would want to get high quality backlinks here so that you're boosting your DR and you are above H20 Maestro, and then as well as adding those buyer intent keywords to your site so that you are being boosted to the top of Google for what you would want to be found for. And so what we can do is we can take a look at all of the backlinks that your competitors have, link those to your website as well, and also get higher quality backlinks in them. And we can take a look at all of the keywords that your competitors have as well. We'd also want to do separate searches for keywords. And with a really fast search, Lexington Plumbers, we can see here that there are thousands of people searching for plumbers in the Lexington area every single month. So Plumbers Lexington, Kentucky, 1100, Lexington Plumbers, 500, 450, 400. So you can see that this list just keeps going here. And we would do the exact same thing for all the ways that you can, just put plumbers, plumbing, things like that. So this is just scratching the surface for you. The more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting into your customers there. I hope that this short video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback on it, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Thanks.